Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Ntombi, Ntshona. I am the founder of N Natural SkinCare. I started the business about 2 months ago. What made me start the business was the love of smelling good. I've always loved smelling good, and I've always had that passion of maybe one day I'll do my own products, and here I am. This is my new range. So I sell shea butter. This is unrefined shea butter. It is good for dry skin. It's good for eczema. It's good for skin moisture. It helps the skin texture as well, and it's good for acne. So this is the lotion. The lotion also does the same thing as the unrefined, but if you want a smoother feel, you can get the lotion. You can find me on Instagram, Mfundo N Natural Skincare, or my personal Instagram, Ntombi_Ntshona, and on Facebook, Mfundo N Natural Skincare as well. On WhatsApp, you can find us on 060-416-0322. My name is Ntombi. I am the Township Entrepreneur.